Brooks time once again. And Brooks is gonna open Thomas. What's this? My first Thomas and Friends RC Thomas.
Thomas.
Yeah, look, this is from 18 months old for babies. So watch Thomas go. Move Thomas forward and backward. So there's a remote control. Easy to use remote control. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yay! Okay, Ate Nicole. Dun dun dun.
Ta-da!
Brooks, careful with the scissor.
Just careful the scissor, guys.
Exactly, guys. Be careful. Don't cut your finger.
I got my little finger.
Don't cut my little finger.
I got little finger.
So there's Thomas. Wow. So we need three. Requires 3 AAA battery. And it's from 18 months old. It's for babies, Brooks. Why do you want to buy this? Because it's for babies.
No, it's for
Brooks is a baby as well. Yeah. There you go. It's ready.
Ready. Come on, come on.
Come on, Thomas. Open it. There's a manual.
This is a manual.
There you go. So we need to unscrew all of this here at the back. Thomas out there now. There. Okay, for the remote control. There's another 2. So that's the last one there. That's the last screw. So we need batteries for the remote control and for Thomas. So what we have here is Thomas.
Thomas.
And the battery. Oh no, not the battery, the remote control. And Brooks. Is this Gordon?
No.
Who is it?
It's Thomas.
It's Thomas.
That's not Gordon.
How can you tell it's Thomas? Because it's number 1 there. It says number 1 on his body.
Gordon is strong.
So there you go. So we put 3 AAA battery for the remote control. There you go.
Gordon.
So okay guys, so we need 3 AAA for the remote control and another 3 AAA for Thomas. Now look who's excited! The remote control. Whoa! You press it. Whoa! It went all the way there. Uh-oh, Thomas is going wild. Whoa, Brooks. Slowly. Ready? Go! Okay, we put it on the table here. Slowly. Do you have the remote control? Okay, go. Ah, no. Silly Brooks. Okay, put it on the table. Whoa, 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 whoa.